back, this is Leena. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your hairspray in 5 different ways. So let's start. So here's my first hack. If you want your flowers to be fresh for at least for a week, all you got to do is spray some hairspray onto fresh flowers that you have at home. It'll stay fresh for at least for a week, and that's a really cool hack. Hack number 2, if your legs are slipping, if you're wearing like low shoes, all you have to do is spray some hairspray on your feet, and you just wear your shoes and you're good to go. Hack number 3, if you don't want your bobby pin to slip off, just all you got to do is just take some hairspray, spray it on your bobby pin. Bobby pins won't slip. Hack number 4, if you have lipstick stain or any food stain on your clothes, all you gotta do, just spray some hairspray and you wash it really well with the detergent, and you'll see the stain is gone. Hack number 5, and this is my last hack. So if you have applied your nail paint and you're in a rush, your nail paint is not drying, all you gotta do, apply your nail paint and spray some hair spray, and you'll see your nail paint will dry really quickly. So guys, these were a few hacks that I know. If you have any more hacks or any tips, let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like this video. Bye guys.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Leena. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to do a simple everyday makeup, but with my favorite foundation. This is my latest obsession. It's by K Beauty. So let's start this video. First things first, please excuse this dog barking behind. That's not my dog, okay? Kab se bhag raha hai, and then I'm trying to film this video. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. So I am obsessed with this foundation. As I told you, it's by K Beauty. This is Katrina Kaif's brand. It's a hydrating foundation. It is enriched with avocado plus mango butter. So this is for somebody who has dry skin or combination skin. I have dry skin, so works really well for me. So this is their packaging. Looks great. The box is nice. My shade is 120 light. This is the bottle. Nice. I like the bottle. It's quite easy to use. You need to shake it first before you use it. So it says it's for 1200 rupees. I got a discount. I got it from this Nykaa store and I got it for around 780 or something. So thoda discount mila tha mujhe. And I'm going to apply the foundation. I have just used a moisturizer on my face और कुछ भी नहीं लगाया, just moisturizer, sunscreen, daytime है अभी, and I'm wearing my lovely pink top. So let's apply this. So shake it well. Again, this dog पता नहीं 1 घंटे से it's been barking. Okay, so मैंने लिया 1, 2. I think that's more than enough. Let me show you the texture. It's really nice, very hydrating. Matches my skin tone. I'm gonna do a few dots here. Let me apply it on half of my face so that you get to know, and then second half we'll do later. So I'm just using my fingers, not using a brush. So I've done half of my face, if you can see. It's glowing, right? It's very hydrating, gives a nice glow, and this is just very little foundation that I've applied. So this foundation, it's not high coverage, okay? This is blendable, but not very high coverage. If you're looking for a high coverage foundation, this is not for you. This is an everyday foundation. Of course, you can build it up. Blends really well, but ये high coverage नहीं है. So apply the foundation. Don't forget to apply it on your neck. very important. So foundation application is done. I'm not using any concealer. I'm going to take the same product and just dab it. That's all I'm going to do. So you can see you can build this, but it's no full coverage again. I'm going to do a little bit of blush and mascara. This is by Makeup Revolution. Toot yummy, right? So this is the blush, which I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids. And we'll also use it as a blush. I'm going to take this shimmer and highlight my inner corners just for a little bit of glam. Using the same palette as my blush. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara and come right back. Mascara done. Last thing is of course my lipstick. This is by Insight Cosmetics. Pink, of course, I'm wearing pink. So makeup's done. I think I look fab. I love this look. So again, this is K Beauty foundation. It's a brand by Katrina Kaif. I really like this foundation. Go ahead, try this only if you have combination skin or dry skin. And I hope you like this video, and please like, share, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's summertime now, and you know how badly our skin gets tanned. So today I'm going to make a nice suntan removal face pack, which will be really good for you youngsters out there, even for kids from 12 months to 12 years or even 20 years old. This is a really nice face pack that I'll be doing, and this will remove your skin tan, and all newborn babies, small kids to teenagers, everybody can use this. This is really skin friendly, and these products are all easily available at home. It won't harm your skin, it's chemical free. So let's start with the video. So I've just taken about 2 tablespoons of milk here, raw milk, to which I'm going to add some kesar, about 2 to 3 strands of kesar. So now I'm just going to mix it, and we'll let it stay for about 5 minutes. So the color will come out like a little yellow color, so we'll just wait for that for about 5 minutes. And now I'm just going to take some gram flour and I'm going to put it in this. So now we've mixed the besan, gram flour and milk. Now we'll just add some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is really good for tan removal. You all can use fresh aloe vera gel, and if you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, you all can use a bottle like this, or even the Patanjali one is really good. So now let's mix all these things together. Now I'll apply it on my face. So if it's for kids, let them just stay for about 10 minutes. They'll, feel irritated and they wouldn't want to stay for that long. And if you're an adult, you can just let it stay for about 15 minutes and let it dry completely, and then you rinse your face. So I have washed my face now, and I can really see my shade becoming one shade lighter, and the tan is kind of gone. So y'all should definitely try this, and it's very simple, good for kids, for teenagers, for every age, and especially for people who have sensitive skin. This is really good for your skin. So try this, let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to hit the like button. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here to solve a really serious problem, pimples. I mean, all you guys out there, we do get pimples and it is so irritating. So the cause of pimple is because your oil glands get infected by bacteria and it becomes really irritating. Number one, eating habits. If you guys have a lot of junk food, oily food, this is the main reason that causes pimples. Number two, maybe your hormonal changes. This also is a main reason to have pimples. And number three, it can happen because of climatic changes, or maybe you don't wash your face or you don't take care of your face. So today I'm going to show you three home remedies that can really help you to get rid of pimples, and it's so easy. So guys, we have a lot of products out there in the market that will help you get rid of pimples, but I have three really easy home remedies. So let me show you. So the first remedy is Colgate. I know it sounds weird, but then trust me, it really works. So you just have to take normal Colgate. Remember that it shouldn't be any gel-based toothpaste. Just take a little bit of Colgate and apply it on the areas wherever you have pimples. Like I have really small pimples here. So guys, you just have to apply it on your pimple and leave it overnight and wash it the next morning. And trust me guys, this really works. My next remedy is lemon juice. Take a cotton pad and just apply it on your pimple. You guys can also add cinnamon powder to this. As lemon is really high in vitamin C, this will definitely get rid of your pimples. So the next remedy is betel nut. I know this sounds weird again, but this is like really tried and tested and not many people know this. So guys, just take betel nut and rub it onto a really rough surface and you'll get a paste out of it. So I already have my paste ready. So this is what you'll get, and just apply it on your pimple again. Guys, these were the three easy remedies that will help you get rid of pimple or acne. You all should definitely try it, and if you guys have any suggestions, do let me know. So I'll see you next time guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lina. So today I'm going to make a face pack out of my favorite vegetable, and that is okra or ladyfinger. This is my favorite vegetable, and this is really good for your hair, skin and general body. Like if you eat this, it has so many properties. It has vitamin A, C, B, it has protein, magnesium, you can just go on. So this is really good. I know a lot of Indians, we do consume a lot of okra or bhindi. So yeah, but it's also very good for your skin. So today I'm going to make a face pack out of okra. You just wash the vegetable and then you cut these two parts of okra or ladyfinger, and then you cut it into half. All you gotta do is blend it. So blend in the grinder, and this is what you'll get. So this is the okra paste, and now I'm gonna add yogurt to this. So here I have my okra paste. I'm just gonna add about half a teaspoon of yogurt. One vitamin E capsule. Really good for your hair and skin. Now I'm going to mix it together. So now we're going to apply this to our face. So you apply it now. Slimy and slimy and kind of sticky, and you might have to wash your face 2 to 3 times. So wash it really well, and do this for about once a week. It's really good for your skin. And also eat okra. It's really good for your body. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.